Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to draw Dorami. So let's get started. First, let's draw a circle. Inside this circle, let's draw eyes. Draw two oval shapes. Now let's draw another oval shape inside the eyes. Now let's draw 3 eyelashes. For nose, draw an oval shape and a curve on the top. Now for mouth, let's draw a curve and bend a little bit up at the corners. Now let's draw U and a curve for tongue. Starting here, let's draw another circle. Now, draw a small curve on both the sides. Before connecting it with a curve, first let's draw the bell. Now let's connect it with a curve and then let's draw a soft curve on both the sides. Before drawing the foot, first let's draw U shape between these curves. Now let's draw the pocket. Now draw a T shape exactly in the center and then connect them with a soft curve. So now let's draw the foot. Now let's go to the hands. I'm going to draw one hand down and another one up. And now for ears, first I mark 2 points to not to go wrong, and then I draw upside down V. So now for coloring, I'm using yellow, blue, orange, pink and red colors. That is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.